Hey, what you doing there? No,
Hi,
not quite done.
No, I'm just making this one darker.
You flipping donuts?
Yeah, I'm flipping donuts at 6:50 in the morning.
Okay, take them out. They're good.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, just take them out?
Yeah, take them out. Shake it off. Tap it off. Bring it over here
Okay.
and scoot it onto that tray. You might want to move that board first. No. Yeah, move the board.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's move it here. And then
Now take the whole tray and come over here and just zap it onto here. Just scoot it onto there. There you go. Okay, excellent. Now reload the tray.
Reload the tray.
Okay. All right. Good.
Go.
Yeah, good.
Alright.
Try the reset button at the back. Okay, good. Lights on. Excellent. Okay, say hi, Mom.
Hi.